So, you are now creating stunning videos using AI tools, and you want to make money out of it, right? If you've been looking for ways to make money online using AI videos, then you're in the right place. AI-generated videos are changing the game, and smart creators are already making thousands of dollars with them. I will explain multiple opportunities to monetize your videos. I'm going to break it all down for you. I'll explain how each method works, the pros and cons of each, and where you can actually make money from them. Plus, I'll share some websites where you can sell your videos or get monetized. Stick around till the end for 2 reasons. First, you want to understand which method suits to your strategies and skills, no matter how profitable it is. Second, I included further advices to increase your chance of success towards the end of this video. So let's dive. First up, we have selling stock footage and video assets. This is one of the simplest ways to start making money with AI videos because you don't need a huge audience or any marketing skills. All you need is high-quality AI-generated videos that people will want to use for their own projects. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 let you upload and sell stock videos. And you can even sell AI-generated animations on platforms like Motion Array. The great thing about this is that once you upload your content, it can generate passive income for years. However, the downside is competition. You need to create unique, high-demand footage to stand out. Another challenge is that some stock platforms are strict with AI-generated content, so always check their guidelines before uploading. But if you focus on niche topics like futuristic cityscapes, AI-generated abstract visuals, or cinematic drone shots, you can definitely make consistent sales. Next, let's talk about short-form video monetization. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are exploding in popularity, and AI tools like Runway ML, Synthesia, and Pictory can generate high-quality, engaging videos fast. You can create short AI-generated explainer videos, motivational content, or even funny AI-generated animations. The monetization here comes in several ways. YouTube Shorts has a monetization program. TikTok's Creator Fund can pay you for viral videos, and Instagram also has bonus payouts for popular Reels. But beyond platform payouts, you can use short-form videos to drive traffic to affiliate links, promote digital products, or even get brand sponsorships. The biggest challenge here is creating content that actually goes viral because competition is fierce. But if you use trending sounds, hashtags, and create eye-catching visuals, AI-generated short videos can be a goldmine. Now, let's move to Faceless YouTube Channels. This is one of the most scalable ways to make money with AI videos. A faceless YouTube channel means you don't have to show your face. You let AI tools do the work for you. AI can generate voiceovers, video footage, and even script writing, so you don't have to appear on camera at all. You can create a channel in niches like finance, history, tech reviews, or even horror stories. The best part? Once your videos start getting views, YouTube's partner program lets you monetize through ads. Plus, you can add affiliate marketing, brand deals, and digital product sales for extra income. The downside is that YouTube requires consistency, and growing a faceless channel can take time. But if you stick with it and create valuable, engaging videos, the long-term income potential is massive. Another incredible way to make money is by offering AI video creation services to businesses. Companies need video content for ads, social media, training, and presentations, and AI tools can help you create high-quality videos in minutes. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of business owners looking for video editing and content creation services. With AI tools like Synthesia for AI avatars, Pictory for video automation, and Runway ML for special effects, you can create professional-looking videos without any advanced editing skills. The key here is finding the right clients. Small businesses, influencers, and marketers are always looking for affordable video solutions, and AI allows you to offer these services at competitive prices while still making a great profit. The challenge is that competition on freelancing platforms can be tough, but if you build a strong portfolio and market your services well, you can easily turn this into a full-time income. One of the most underrated ways to make money with AI videos is by creating AI-generated courses and tutorials. Online education is a billion-dollar industry, and people are willing to pay for valuable knowledge. AI tools like Synthesia lets you create AI-powered instructor videos, while platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Kajabi let you sell courses. You don't even have to be an expert in a topic. You can use AI to research and compile information into structured lessons. The best part? Once your course is live, it can generate passive income for months or even years. However, the main challenge here is making high-quality content that actually provides value. People won't pay for low-effort courses, so you need to ensure your lessons are well-organized and engaging. But if you get it right, selling AI-generated courses is one of the most profitable ways to monetize AI videos. Let's talk about AI-generated video ads. Businesses are always looking for new ways to promote their products, and AI can generate stunning, high-converting ads at a fraction of the cost of traditional production. With tools like Synthesia, HeyGen, and DeepBrain AI, you can create professional-looking commercials in minutes. The best way to make money here is by offering ad creation services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to local businesses. Another way to monetize is by running your own dropshipping or affiliate marketing ads using AI-generated content. The challenge here is making ads that actually convert. Businesses will only keep hiring you if your videos drive sales. But with the right targeting and creativity, AI-generated video ads can be a game changer. Another great method is creating AI-generated product review videos and combining them with affiliate marketing. Product review videos have a massive potential for monetization because people love watching detailed reviews before making a purchase. AI tools can help generate high-quality review videos without the need to show your face or even own the product. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale allow you to earn commissions by including affiliate links in your video descriptions. The best part? If your review ranks well on YouTube, it can generate passive income for months or even years. However, competition is high, so you'll need to focus on trending products, optimize your video with the right keywords, and ensure your content is engaging and trustworthy. Another powerful way to make money with AI videos is by launching a video membership or subscription site. Instead of relying on ad revenue, you can create a premium video platform where users pay for exclusive AI-generated content. Platforms like Patreon, Uscreen, and Gumroad allow you to set up a subscription-based video business where users pay a monthly fee to access your content. This works especially well if you create niche-specific videos, such as AI-generated fitness training, language learning, or business tutorials. The challenge is building a loyal audience willing to pay for content, but once you do, subscription-based income can be incredibly stable and profitable. Now here are key considerations to increase your success chance. Even with AI, prioritize creating high-quality, engaging videos. No matter how advanced AI tools become, audiences still value originality, storytelling, and professional execution. Ensuring your videos are visually appealing, well-edited, and informative will help them stand out and perform better across platforms. Focus on a single niche. Targeting a specific niche can help you build a dedicated audience. AI-generated videos allow you to experiment with different topics quickly, but finding a focused niche, such as finance, health, technology, or entertainment, can set you apart. A niche audience is more likely to engage, subscribe, and even purchase through your monetization methods. Stay up to date on the monetization policies of the platforms you use. YouTube, TikTok, and other social media sites constantly update their rules, including monetization eligibility, copyright policies, and content guidelines. Ignoring these can lead to demonetization or even account bans, so staying informed is key to long-term success. Be transparent about your use of AI in video creation. While AI can be an amazing tool, misleading viewers by pretending AI-generated content is fully human-made can damage trust. Some platforms also have guidelines about AI disclosure. Ethical transparency can build credibility and prevent potential issues in the future. So, there you have it. 8 powerful ways to make money with AI videos. Whether you want to sell stock footage, create short-form viral content, build faceless YouTube channels, offer video creation services, sell AI-generated courses, create high-converting ads, review products with affiliate marketing, or launch a subscription video site, the opportunities are endless. AI is making video creation faster and easier than ever before, and those who take action now will be ahead of the game. If you have another innovative method to make money using AI videos, please share it with the community via the comments section of this video, so we can discuss it together. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to learn about other methods to make money with AI, you can watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon. So see you there.